Hello children, this is Nagamani, your biology teacher. So today I will ask you one question, that is, why do the cells should excrete the excretory product? Okay, can you say why the cells need to excrete the excretory product? So the excretion is the elimination of the waste products from the body of the organism. Okay, so we know the definition. So why should we, that is our cells should excrete the waste products? So the cells, after the metabolic process, the cells consist of the toxic material like ammonia substances. So that is very toxic to the body of the organism, and that should be excreted in a regular manner. Otherwise the cells will get damaged and the total organ will not function well. Okay, so the total organ will get damaged and the excretory substances are deposited in the blood and damages the kidneys if you don't excrete the, or if you don't eliminate the waste products from your blood. Okay, so why we need to drink more water? Why we will drink more water? So what is the main role of the water in the excretion? Is, so daily you should drink at least 5 liters of the water, right? So the water is playing important role in the breakdown of the food material, and it also useful in the purification of the blood, that is nothing but elimination of the waste materials from the body of the organism, and it is also involved in the many metabolic activities. So the main function of this drinking of more water is it will make the acidic, that is a hypertonic urine into the hypotonic urine. Okay, if you drink more water, that salt concentration will become less and water concentration will becomes more, so that children will not feel more pain during the urination. Okay, so that is the main role of the water in the elimination of the excretory substances. And the main excretory substances that are present in the organisms are ammonia, urea, uric acid, trimethyl amino oxides, and in some organisms guanine is the excretory product. So like that, that excretory product production depends upon the food habit as well as the habitat and habit of that organism. Okay, so in the next class I will explain you about the excretory organs. So how the excretory organs will eliminate the waste substances, and how the cells will functions during the elimination of the these excretory substances. Okay, thank you.